Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to cancel your Apple Music subscription after free trial. So regardless if it's already a free trial or you're just subscribing normally, it's just going to be the same procedure. So you want to go here to your Apple Music, top right corner, manage subscription. From there you will see that you will have the all plans right here, and I'm still in a free trial. You can cancel the free trial right here regardless. So if you already passed your free trial, it's just gonna say cancel the subscription right here, or you can go to settings and then go to subscriptions, Apple Music, and then cancel it from there. So regardless if you're in free trial or after free trial, if your payment did not go forward, you can cancel it right here. So there you go guys, that is how you cancel your Apple Music subscription even after your free trial. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.